Hey guys, and welcome back. This is Safe, and today I'm going to show you how you can use Hubspot to create your own online campaign. So let's get into it. First of all, if you have an account, you can just press on login. However, if you don't, you can go and click on get started for free. So now I'm going to press on login. And if you got transferred to this page and you found that these options are not available, you can go and click on classic login here and it will transmit you to this page. And in this tutorial, I'm going to use Google to sign in my existing account. And this is how your HubSpot account will look like. So in order to start creating your own email campaign, you can just go to Marketing and click on it. Then go to Email. Then you can click on Create Email on the top right. And here you will find three options, whether you can write a regular email campaign or automated campaign or blog email campaign. And since this is a beginner tutorial, I will go with first the regular campaign. So now let's press on regular and see what's next. Here you will be allowed to choose a template. I will just exit this tour. You will be allowed to insert a template for your own email campaign. So let's say, for example, you have a product or an e-commerce website and you want to create a promotion campaign that will allow your users to subscribe to your own services. So here I will choose the promotion email campaign. If you want to take a closer look, you can click on preview and you will see how this email will look like and how it's structured. And if you are satisfied with it, you can just go and click on use this template. This will transfer you to the editor, where you can edit on this template the way you want. Here, you can do two major things. The first one is to add to this template, and the second one is to edit existing elements in this template. So if you want to add a content, you can do this from the Content tab, where you can add plenty of your own structures or elements. You can add an image, text, button, and so on and so forth. You can also add layouts. And if you want to edit on existing element, all what you need to do is to just click on it and you will see a properties table open in front of you. So for example, if I want to edit on this company logo, I can go here and click on replace on the image, or I can just click on replace here. So once I click on replace, it will allow me to upload an image from my own device. So let's give it a couple of seconds. And here we are. So now I can click on upload images on the button, or I can use Canva to design my own logo. So here I will just press on upload images and I will pick my image from my own device. And now it has been uploaded, so I'm going to click on it and select it. And perfect. So it has been added successfully. However, it's a little bit big, so I want to make it smaller. This can be done by controlling your own width and height here. So I can make it, for example, 100 only, and it will look like this, still big. So I can make it as 50, for example, and this is satisfying. So now I can also control its width. I can add alignment, I can add cornered radius, and many other options. Once you are done, you can go to the next element, which is this element. It's an image. You can replace the same way you did before. You can just click on replace and you can pick an image using upload images or adding from URL or design with Canva. Here I will choose one of the images from my own PC and I will wait for it for a couple of seconds to load. And done. Now if you want to edit your own text, you can double click on it and you will be able to edit its content, or you can just edit its alignment. You can also control its boldness, its size, its font type. You can also control many of things like you are in a Microsoft Word application, and these are the same options that you will get. So you can control what is written and you can control how it's written. Once you are done, you can go to the next step, which is your button. Here, by clicking on your button, you can see that you can add the link to which it will transfer the user once he clicks on this button. So you can use it to transmit the user to an email address or subscription link. It can also transmit the user to one of the pages that already exist in your email campaign. And once you are done, you can go to next. These are layout of images, so I think we will not edit anything because we already did before. This is a text, and this is a footer. You can, before the footer, I think there is a divider that you can control its width and height. You can also control its color and more. Here you can control your own footer. You can also delete it if you don't need it from here. And finally, here you have the unsubscribing ribbon. And finally, you can just edit this link. So once you did edit everything, you may want to add something extra on this template. This is done, as I said before, from the content table. So let's say, for example, you want to add some links to your own social media accounts. Here you can just go to social and drag and drop it to the place you want. So let's make it before the divider, for example. And this is how it will look like. And now you can click on any of these icons here, Facebook or LinkedIn, where you can click on this edit icon and you can choose your own Facebook page URL so that it will transmit the user once he clicks on this icon. After you are done, you can control how your email campaign will look like from the design tab. Here you can choose some things like template, like the text style. You can also choose the color of the template itself, like the background. You can make it something different like this. Let's make it white, and let's make the body itself different. Let's make it like this. Perfect. And you can also control how your text will look like. You can also choose the text line color, so you can change it into black, for example, like this. Perfect. And let's choose this color as well, the button color, into black to make it homogeneous. And perfect. So once you are ready, you can go to the next step, which is the settings. Here you will be allowed to insert the name, your address, the subject line, the preview text, and more options like language. And after you are done, you can go to the send or schedule step, in which you can add the recipients to which it will be sent. And I will add one of the recipients here. Perfect. Yeah, you need first to create your own contact. Since this mail is not from my contact, so I will just go and add one of the existing contacts here. And here is a block list that you can use so that you will prevent the email to be sent to specific parties. So once you are done, you can just go to send now or send schedule for later if you don't want your campaign to start immediately. And the final step is the automation. In automation, you can, let's just exit these. Actually, automation is not available for the free plan. However, the idea of automation is that once a specific trigger happens or once a specific event occurs, you can activate sending this email campaign to the selected recipients. After finishing, you can click on review and send, and here you will find that there is a warning that our campaign is not complete because we did not insert a subject. So we will go back to settings and we will insert a subject line, like for example, email campaign tutorial. Perfect. And now let's go to review and send again. And here you will find another option, like these things are missing, company name and address. So I think I will just fill this information. Okay, now let's go to send or schedule. I think the problem is here from the contact itself. So let's give it a second. Well, actually, I don't know where to find this error. So there is an amazing feature which is provided by Hubspot that by clicking on review and send, then by clicking on the error, it will open a window in front of you that you can insert the missing data. So let's write some information. This is completely random that I used before. And now let's save changes. And now let's press on review and send. And now let's fill. Yeah, this is because we have inserted this without inserting any details. So I guess I'm just gonna go and delete it. So by going to done here, I can go to the section itself and press on this trash icon. Then let's press on review and send again to see if there are any errors. Yeah, there is. This field link URL is empty. Let's see which one. Yeah, the button as I expected. So let's go and delete it as well. Or we can just insert a URL, anything like facebook.com, anything random just to publish our campaign. Then let's press on review and send, and here you'll find that there are no errors. However, there is a suggestion. It's not mandatory to fix. You can follow it or you can leave it. Now let's press on preview or send. I will just go to send immediately and send email now. And it's processing currently. So let's just close it, and to make sure whether it has been sent or not, you can now go to your emails and see the status, and perfect, it has been sent here as it's written on the button of your own campaign. And this is how easy you can use Hubspot. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. If you liked this video, press on like, then subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next videos.